Hey everyone, it's Jen with Resin Inspired. Welcome back. Tonight's video is going to be on, instead of a normal fluid painting, I'm going to show you how I made my lizard. This was done on 1/4-inch birch, which I cut out myself with a scroll saw. And I love that scroll saw. If you ever want to get a hold of a power tool, that is something that just the sky is the limit with endless possibilities. And so I got a couple things in the works with other cutouts and whatnot, so stay tuned for that. The other announcement was I made it last night on my video that I did with my large fluid painting. At the end of the month, I'm going to have a drawing for all of my subscribers, and I'm going to give away some gift cards. So if you'd like to participate, it is for all of my subscribers. And anyway, stay tuned. I'll show you how I did this piece. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So this piece was supposed to be resin. I cut it out using my scroll saw. I spray painted it. This was a result of spray painting in the wintertime. The green the green spray paint didn't do well in the cold, so it cracked. Anyway, I just feel like cells would be a lot more stunning in this type of piece. So I am going to pour on it instead of do resin. Anyway, I've got pink, all rainbow colors, prism violet. The first one was neon pink by Artist Loft with brilliant magenta mixed in, neon orange with metallic orange, metallic blue, metallic cobalt blue. You guys should be proud of me. I really didn't mix colors tonight. I mean, you know what I mean. Neon green and neon yellow. So I'm going to switch it up. I really want a lot of cells with this. So I'm going to put silicone 1 drop in 3 of my colors. Alright, so I'm only going to put it in 1 color and then I'll pause to do it. This is a 1-ounce cup. I'm going to pour the orange in like that. Uh-oh, I think that was a chunk, so now I got to dig that out. It's a bubble, one of the two. I don't know. I don't see it. Anyway, I'm just going to wipe a little silicone down the side because I don't need a full drop. So 1, 2, 3, and then that one's done for now. Alright, so this is a 5-ounce silicone cup. I want to be able to pinch it, and, you know, I wasn't going to use the silicone mitt, but I'm just trying to keep it really simple tonight. My first color in, which I want it to primarily be, is the metallic cobalt blue. And then I'll probably, yeah, let's leave the cup on its side like that so I can come back and add more later, I think. And then I want orange. Alright, now let's do rainbow. So Funny, I was actually afraid of that happening, so I need more paint. That's pretty. I can't. Just give it a little tilt. See what I can conjure up. I'm not in my normal pouring spot. I poured a large piece, and it's taken, this is day 3 of it not drying yet, so. Ooh, that is pretty.